In this video, I am going to show you how to remove Wix banner from your website. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our Wix website and today we are going to remove this Wix banner from it. So if you want to remove this Wix banner from your Wix website, you just need to upgrade your Wix account, and in this way this banner will be automatically removed from your Wix website. So if I go to my Wix account and go to my sites, here I have created bunch of websites. Only this website has the premium plan and the other websites are free. So if I visit any of these free websites, it will show me this banner, and in case of this premium website, this banner will be hidden. So if you want to purchase a premium plan for any of your website, just hover your website and then click on select and edit site. And then from the top just click on upgrade. And if you have a simple website, then you can choose website plans from here. Or if you have an e-commerce business, then you can select business and e-commerce plans from here. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.